Hello, I'm Rikuto Takano from Nagoya Institute of Technology. I'm going to introduce our proposed agent called the AlmostEqualAgent for ANAC 2025 competition. This is a joint work with Takeaki Sakabe and Keiichi Namikoshi. Let me start with the result of the competition. We propose our agent, AlmostEqualAgent, in short AEA, for the Supply Chain Management League one-shot track. AEA won the first place, tied with Cost Averse Agent and Argent. Now, I'll introduce our agent AEA. AEA is based on Cautious One-Shot Agent, in short CA, which was the first place in 2024. Here are features of AEA. First, AEA offers almost equal quantity. This reduces rejections and improves stability. Second, AEA accepts always considering both price and quantity. This increases profit by focusing not only on quantity but also on price. Next, I'll explain our offer strategy. The offer quantity is almost equal for all partners. In early steps, AEA offers equally. In later steps, AEA offers slightly more to partners with larger total traded quantity. For example, suppose AEA has supply quantity of 7 and 3 partners. Then, supply quantity is distributed following total traded quantity, such as 3, 2, and 2. Next, I'll explain the difference between CA's later steps and AEA's later steps. Suppose CA has a supply quantity of 8 and 3 partners. In CA's later steps, there's extreme imbalance in offer quantity, such as 6, 1, and 1. If a partner's required quantity is 5 and the offer is 6, the offer quantity exceeds the required quantity and will be rejected. On the other hand, in the same situation with AEA, the offer quantity is 3, which doesn't exceed the required quantity and thus it will be accepted. In this process, AEA offers almost equal quantity and this eliminates extreme imbalance in quantity and improves stability. Next, I'll explain our acceptance strategy. First, AEA considers combinations of the partners' offers. Then, optimal combination is determined by our score. It's determined by the normalized quantity score, the normalized price score, and the parameter alpha, which is set to 0.85. In this process, AEA accepts always considering both price and quantity. I'll explain the acceptance strategy briefly using an example. The acceptance strategy works in 2 steps. First, AEA generates all possible combinations of the partner's offers, which is the power set. Second, AEA calculates the R score for each combination based on price and quantity. And it accepts the highest score combination. For example, suppose AEA currently has three offers, A, B, and C, and generate the power set of these offers and compute the R score for each combination. In this case, suppose the combination of B and C has the highest R score, so this offer is accepted. In this process, AEA increases profit by focusing not only on quantity but also on price. Finally, as explained conclusion, we proposed almost equal agent in short AEA based on cautious one-shot agent. AEA has two main features. First, it offers almost equal quantity. Second, it accepts always considering both price and quantity. For future work, we'll search for a better way to sort negotiation partners in the later steps. Thank you for your attention.